Hi everyone, today I'll demonstrate you how to crochet Preemie baby hat in two colors. I'll be using acrylic yarn in yellow and cream. I will need also crochet hook, 4mm, scissors and yarn needle. I'll begin the hat with the yellow yarn. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'll create a ring. Chain 2, yarn over and 13 double crochets. Join to close the round. Tie the yarn to avoid the hole in the middle. Then chain 2, yarn over, and I will work 2 double crochets in every stitch all around. I'll join with slip stitch to the first stitch, then round 3, chain 2, yarn over. I will make 2 double crochets in each odd stitch, and I will work 1 double crochet in each even stitch, so 2 double crochets into the first stitch, yarn over, 1 double crochet. Repeat this step all around. I will have 39 double crochets. So at the moment I have 39 stitches, yarn over, and I'll increase 1 stitch. So in the first stitch I'll work 1 double crochet. I'll change the color. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over with the second color and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and single crochet. So repeat all around. join with slip stitch, yarn over with the yellow color, yarn over with the cream with the second color, and make slip stitch with the cream color. Change the color and chain one with the yellow color. Yarn over and make half double crochet into the loop, into the chain one space. Yarn over and make front post half double crochet on the single crochet from previous round. Yarn over and make one half double crochet in the chain one space. Yarn over, front post half double crochet. Yarn over and make half double crochet. Yarn over, front post half double crochet. Yarn over, half double crochet. Yarn over, front post half double crochet. Yarn over, half double crochet. Yarn over, front post half double crochet. Yarn over, half double crochet. Yarn over, front post half double crochet. So repeat all around. And the last half double crochet, join with slip stitch, yarn over with the cream color, yarn over with the yellow, and slip stitch with the yellow. Now continue with the yellow color. Chain one and make single crochet in the first stitch. Chain one, skip one stitch and make single crochet into the next. Chain one, skip one stitch and single crochet in the next. Chain one, skip one stitch and single crochet in the next. So repeat all around. Chain one and join to the first stitch, yarn over with the cream color and make slip stitch with the yellow. Now continue with the cream color. Chain one, yarn over and make front post half double crochet in the single crochet from previous round. Yarn over and make half double crochet into the chain one space. Yarn over, front post half double crochet, yarn over and half double crochet. Yarn over, front post half double crochet, yarn over and half double crochet. Repeat all around. And finish the round with 1/2 double crochet into the chain 1 space, then insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over with the yellow color and make slip stitch with the cream color. Then I'll continue with the cream color. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and single crochet. 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 Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and make single crochet and repeat all around. So I finish the round with slip stitch to the first stitch, yarn over with the yellow yarn, yarn over with the cream color and make slip stitch with the cream color. I will change the colors and I'll continue with the yellow yarn. Chain 1, then 1 front post half double crochet into the first single crochet from previous round, yarn over and make 1/2 double crochet into the chain 1 space from previous round, yarn over, 1 front post half double crochet, yarn over and half double crochet. Continue with those 2 stitches all around. Then 1/2 double crochet into the last chain 1 space, then join with slip stitch, yarn over with cream color and slip stitch with yellow color. Continue by repeating this 2 rounds, so with cream color and with the yellow color. I just finished the hat. I have 16 rounds and you can see the back side. This is the invisible seam. For the preemie size you can also use crochet hook 4.5 mm, and for the newborn size, the hook should be 5 mm. Thank you to stay with me until the end of this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated. See you next time.